If your iPhone storage bar chart looks kind of like this, I think this video will help you. I'm going to show you 3 secret caches of data on your phone that are constantly collecting data by default with your default settings that you don't even know about. The first one is a Safari setting. Now you know the regular Safari cache, but this one's a little bit different. I'll show you where it is. Let's go back to the main settings page and scroll down till we get to apps. And then tap on S to get the Safari. You can scroll down to here as well. Tap on Safari. And then scroll down to where it says reading list automatically save offline. This is on by default. This means whenever you save something to your reading list, if you do that a lot, all the data, videos, images to do with that post are saved to your phone so you can read it offline, which makes a lot of sense. If you don't use this feature or you don't use it very often, you can turn this off and save yourself a bunch of cache space. The second and third secret caches are inside of messages. And the third one is a ghost cache that's going to blow your mind. But first, let's do the second one. Let's go back to our apps list here. Tap on M to get to messages. Tap on messages. Scroll down until we get to the part where it tells us to keep messages or how long we keep our messages. Right here. Message history. Keep messages forever. Forever is the default. You can also change it to 1 year and 30 days. If you're sending and receiving a lot of texts that include videos and photos, and you're saving them forever, that's going to add up over time. And if you're not the kind of person who wants to keep all that historical data, then just go with 1 year or 30 days, and you will see improvements in your space. I can almost guarantee it. Now, the third one is a ghost cache, also in messages, and it involves syncing the texts you get, or the info you get in your texts. If you scroll up from that keep messages section a little bit till you get to shared with you. Anytime that this is on and a photo or video or a link or a document is shared with you, it's constantly synced in the background on your phone so that whenever you open one of these apps that's listed here, that data is instantly available in that app. For me, I don't really need my data from text messages available in music or Netflix or Apple TV or reminders even or podcasts. You can go through and turn these off individually. You might want to have the photos and videos from text messages available in the Photos app. That would make a lot of sense. Maybe links available in the Safari app. You get the idea. So you can turn off the ones you don't use to save the processing power and caching space. You can also turn this off entirely by just tapping right there. And here it says, content shared in messages can automatically appear in selected apps. When turned off, content that you pin will still appear in apps. So even when this is off, you can just pin the content and then that will still show up in those apps. So it's not like you're never using this feature, but you can specifically use it manually by pinning. The next thing you should probably do is clear the browsing data in Safari. One of the viewers in this channel got 10 gigabytes of space back with what I show you in this video right here. So check it out. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.